So here's a Schindler elevator which is in maintenance mode, and now we are riding this and we have access for some reason, and now we are going to level 40. Wait, or someone has just stopped. Oh, yeah. Exterior to get. There's no button on the ground. Let's see what it looks like outside. So here's maintenance mode. Okay, and let's try getting the 40. Maybe. Wait. Or maybe cannot. I'm not sure. Let's see. So this lift doesn't move as fast as the other cylinders in this building. And now we are on 40, which the rooftop is on 4. Nothing, because so yeah, we are on 40 now, and I think only this elevator have access to 40. Let's get back to ground with this elevator. So I'm not having extra tour that long for this elevator because the huge traffic, and likely I won't get the same elevator again. Here's the cabin. So it is likely under construction or renovation or something. And here's the other panel. Here's the door. It's so hot in here, and looks like we doesn't get any call from any of the floor, because this elevator in maintenance mode, which surely I shouldn't be having access, but